Number 18. Black ceramic vessel with minute scale. 38-hour power reserve. Self-winding automatic movement. Stainless steel case and bracelet. 500-meter water resistant. Oris watches are one of the best watches in the world. Number 17. Mechanical altimeter feature measure 10 feet. Self-winding automatic movement. Rushed stainless steel case and bracelet. Scratch resistant spheric crystal. 100-meter water resistant. Number 16. Black tile, black ceramic vessel. Chronograph feature. Polished with brushed titanium case. 1000-meter water resistant. Screwed on titanium crown. Number 15. The grey dye recalls the color of a stormy sea. Very understated, unpretentious, and great value for money. More beautiful in person. Number 14. Self-winding automatic watch. Features a 40mm stainless steel case with a bronze bezel. Functions include hours, minutes, and seconds. This watch comes with the original box and papers. Number 13. This caliber normally has 3 subdials. Dial window material type sapphire, domed and coated double-sided. Display type analog clasp deployment clasp. Case material titanium, case diameter 44.7 mm. Band material titanium, band color silver. Dial color skeleton dial, bezel material titanium. Number 12. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Automatic movement, 300-meter water resistance. Unidirectional rotating coin edge bezel, scratch resistance sapphire crystal. Number 11. Green dial enhanced by luminous bronzy hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Automatic movement. 100-meter water resistance. Unidirectional rotating bezel. Number 10. Green dial with index hour markers. Green ceramic bezel with minute scale. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Self-winding automatic movement. 300-meter water resistant. Number 9. Swiss made blue dial index hour markers. Black ceramic bezel, date feature 38-hour power reserve. Number 18. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone band. Automatic movement watch. 500 meter water resistance, unidirectional rotating bezel watch. Number 7. Marine dial enhanced by luminous bronzy cathedral style bands. Bronzy case with a brown leather band. 50 meter water resistance fixed bezel watch. Number 6. Brushed stainless steel case black dial. This watch has black rubber strap. Swiss automatic movement, case diameter 44 mm. Water resistant to 100 meter.
Hi, Peter Borgats from Australia. We're thrilled to be here at Baselworld to present our fantastic Watch the Great Barrier Reef, another Oris fur, and we'll see you around.
Number 4. Dalvino material anti-reflective sphere. Display type analog glass buckle. Case material yellow gold, case diameter 43.5 mm. Band material leather and band color blue. Dial color radiant blue, bezel material ceramic. Bezel function rotating bezel, calendar date. I recommend this watch to everyone, please buy it. Number 3. Dial window material type spheric crystal. Display type analog glass type buckle. Case material bronzy, case diameter 43 mm. Band material leather, band width 21 mm. Number 2. Swiss made blue dial index hour markers. Black ceramic bezel, date feature 38-hour power reserve watch. Self-winding automatic movement watch. 300 meter water resistant. Number 1. Black ceramic unidirectional rotating bezel with white minute scale. Black dial, silver tone, luminous hands and indexes. Skewed on ground Swiss automatic movement watch. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.